Hi everyone! I'm Norina Banjano Campo. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Horticulture at University of the Philippines, Los Baños. So being part of ShieldTec team, it is not hard for me to understand the technical part of it. ShieldTec by Environet specializes in premium disinfection solution to address the unwanted threat of pathogens through our disinfection and sanitation solutions specifically tailored for each and every space, providing assurance of higher standards of safety and cleanliness. We use a solution that is found to be exceedingly effective in eliminating known pathogens found in any human environment. This is known as chlorine dioxide. Chlorine dioxide requires less concentration, yet very effective in killing harmful microorganisms. It is also an effective deodorizer, as it eliminates odor-causing microorganisms, prevents the formation of unsightly biofilm and scales on surfaces, and it guarantees longer effectivity when compared to other solutions on the market. It is also proven to be effective in water treatment and sanitation. It is also approved for fruit and vegetable sanitation. Let's do a quick comparison. Traditional chlorine versus chlorine dioxide. In terms of familiarity, traditional chlorine is well known compared to chlorine dioxide as it is widely available in the market. When it comes to cost, traditional chlorine is much cheaper than chlorine dioxide. Chlorine dioxide doesn't produce harmful byproducts. Traditional chlorine does. Chlorine dioxide is less corrosive. Traditional chlorine is acidic, which makes it cause corrosion to various surfaces. Given the traditional chlorine solution requires higher chemical concentration, frequent exposure to this is toxic. Lastly, chlorine dioxide disinfection capability takes effect longer than the disinfection that traditional chlorine provides. To evidently show the effectivity of chlorine dioxide, we perform a swab test in a surface with our solution. As risk of exposure to pathogens is higher these days, the more we need to keep ourselves safe and protected. We need to have multiple solutions to get maximum protection. And this is what we offer in ShieldTec. Because in ShieldTec, your safety is our priority.